Spigen have designed some amazing cases for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. So in this video, I'm going to help you decide which one to look at. We've got two, the Enzo Aramid and the Capella. It's without the A. So it's not an acapella, it's a Capella. Not too sure why they've done that. And there's some lore behind these. I'm not sure if they worked with Samsung, but I don't know if they're semi official, or I don't know, but they look very similar. I think they're just really well designed. But people love a Spigen case. I mean, same here. So let's go check these out. Let's have a look at them. I think there's like a bunch of things that they have in common, and there's a bunch of things that they are separated by, or that are different from the rest. Okay. And obviously design-wise, we're going to have different treatment. This is interesting. So in the box, we've got instructions on how to put it in. Interesting. The instructions are different to my recommendation, which is to put it in sideways, but put it in with the buttons first, because those can damage it. This is a thicker case. This one, the Enzo Aramid. It's got that Spigen logo in the bottom. The camera, not everyone's going to like this. And I'm not a massive fan of this, but the camera, the camera array isn't like individually cut out. Here's the magnet for the Galaxy. It's a lot thicker than the other magnet ones. It's made of genuine aramid. I don't know what aramid is. What is aramid? Spigen, tell me. Designed for perfect gripped form-fitted device. And it's the box is made with 100% recycled. Cool. Well done. Just bare minimum these days, right? Okay, this fits incredibly well. It is super flush. It's like hugs the case. I don't know how are they doing this. It does add a little bit of weight to it, so it's a lot heavier with the case on. Just heavy as I. Wow, man, it just feels tight. Does that sound weird? It just feels tight, like as a case. The buttons are interesting design, but they click really nicely. They go very well. This camera rim is very hard. Is this the Aramid that they're talking about? It's like feels like metal. I don't know what Aramid is. Tell me what Aramid is, please. And then, obviously this covers the cameras very well. The S Pen comes out very easily. Even Samsung's official rugged case, it's hard to get the pen out unless it's from the side. And somehow they managed to do it. Well done, Spigen. That's very cool. The rim on the top over here, I don't know if you can see, but it's very good. It feels very secure. And definitely when you put it down, it's because it's protruding about 1 millimeter. It will definitely protect the screen. I love the feeling on this back. Obviously I control it, but it's actually making my hand like not ticklish. You know when you feel like it's a really nice sensation. Actually, I don't know. My hand is tingling like holding it. It's very cool. Don't know what they've done here. And then obviously this won't scratch at all. Well, very unlikely to scratch the sides maybe, but this back is not going to scratch. Oh, very nice case. All right, let's check out the Capella, which would be your other option. The other thing is obviously it's got that MagSafe in it. Let's actually check the MagSafe as well. Quick sticks. Yep, it works. And it works well. Obviously, this will charge. This is a MagSafe accessory. This is the newer camera mount that I use that a friend gifted me once. A very nice product, this one. Then, very cool. It's not as strong as the Samsung one, but also it's a thicker case, right? So I assume that maybe that's the reason. But let's have a look at the Capella and see if it has any similar treatment. I quite like this. There's a plastic that we can peel. And ooh, it's textured as well. I'm going to peel this plastic off as well. It's textured inside and outside. So that's very nice. Very nice. Ooh, the sides feel like a cricket bat. Like if you shrunk a cricket bat down, I don't know if you know what it's just the section over here where the grip is. Okay, let's take this off. See how easy this is to take off. It feels like it'll be relatively easy to remove. I'm going to actually remove it the way that they instructed to put it on, which is to put the phone in the base. Yeah, came off really easily. And then let's put this guy in. Oh, Okay, yeah, I messed up. That's why they want. That's why they want. Let me show you. So if you put that in this way, you can actually probably break the case. If you put it, you've got to put it in this way. Sorry, guys, I just want to break the phone. Put it in like this. Okay, it was a very challenging entry. Oh, I like this case a lot. Okay, it's also I think it's cheaper than the other one, which is also great. It's got this really nice texture on the sides. I like it a lot. Clicky button, and the cameras are protruding from this. This rubber is very nice, and it feels really solid. Yo, Spigen, you did something here. You did something here. S Pen comes out easy. USB-C is exposed, but obviously not the SIM tray. Well, obviously, not every phone's like that. The rim of the actual display is also well protected, so that's safe and secure. But look how nice and flush it all is. I love this frosted glass finish, and just to make sure that this is protruding but also feels thin, the lens's cover is protruding ever so slightly, I think from a different material underneath, or pushing it up. It's like molded. It's hard. It's going to be hard to see on camera, I think. But let me, yeah. Don't know if you can see. It's not the same height as the rest of the case, which is really, really nice. And then let's check out this MagSafe. See if it's a little bit stronger. It's comparable, but it's still strong. Like, it's still usable. I mean, this might be my daily driver. I'm not gonna lie. My daily driver for my S24, which I'm actually shooting with above, is a similar case, but this is a much better design. This is a much better, cleaner design. And then obviously you can film with devices like this with the newer. It works with MagSafe accessories. It's G2, so you can put it in your car and charge. This is such a nice cover. So actually, in my opinion, I would probably go for the Capella. This is my taste. If you want something that's a little bit more solid, then I guess the Aramid is for you. But if you want something that's for day-to-day use that just looks slick, this is a jam. I love the frosted look. It's going to prevent any fingerprints. Yeah, this is just like a nicer design. Anyway, Spigen, well done. This is a very cool, very, very cool case. Let me know what you guys think below. Would you be going for this Enzo Aramid? Is this your jam? Or would you be choosing this Capella? Am I right? You know, let me know below. If you found this useful, check out the playlist that I've got where I'm checking out all of the cases for the Samsung S25 Ultra. And also, if you want to pick up one, I've got links in the description that could help you do that. It really helps the channel out a lot. And don't forget to like and subscribe to this video to the channel. You can't like a channel on YouTube, which that's a good idea. If you could like a channel, it'd be cool. But don't forget to subscribe. Really be keen to see what you guys think of all of them. If you want to see more Samsung Galaxy news and reviews, check that out. I'll see you in another video. Cheers.